If you're seeing the "Unfortunately, Telegram has stopped" error on your iPhone or the app keeps crashing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step fixes to solve the problem. Let's get started with some basic solutions. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off, force close Telegram completely, and ensure you're on the latest version. If that doesn't work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear Telegram's media cache. Go to iPhone Settings, then tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find Telegram in the list, tap Offload App. Once finished, tap Reinstall App. This refreshes the app's link with the iOS system. Solution 2. Disable Type to Siri. Many users have found that there is a conflict with the Type to Siri feature. Go to iPhone Settings, then go to Accessibility, scroll down, and tap on Siri. Toggle Type to Siri to off. Now restart your Telegram app. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. Go to iPhone Settings, then go to General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. That's it. If this helped, drop a comment, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone and Telegram fixes. Thanks for watching.